malolele, kia ora, namaste, ni hao, pulaminaka, talofa lava. Greetings to you all, play, learn, grow, whānau. Today is my last day with you guys, and unfortunately I won't be able to come back to work anymore, but I will see you again. I will come and see you all. This will be my last time doing this for you guys, and I'm trying very hard not to cry. But anyway, today I decided, out of all the things that I have been doing, I just want to sing for you for the last time. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do for you guys right now, okay? I'll start with Kina Kina, and then I'll continue on, okay? Are you ready? Toru wha. Kina Kina wheke wheke ika ika tuna tuna beep 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 bawa bawa kai moana e he. Butterfly, butterfly, fly away. Butterfly, butterfly, fly away. Butterfly, butterfly, fly away. Don't come back till the morning break. Ki i pepe puna pe. Ki i pepe puna pe. Ki i pepe puna pe. O ato e hau kai o ko pongi pongi. I can see in the tree baby birds 1, 2, 3. I can see in the tree baby birds 1, 2, 3. Ko lava sio ki he fu akau. Manu puna vale vale taha ua tolu. Ko lava sio ki he fu akau. Manu puna vale vale taha ua tolu. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Yay! Can I sing one more time? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. I hope you all like it, and we'll see you again later. Ka kite. Have a good weekend, and I will come and see you when I can, okay? Bye for now. Play, learn, grow from